So guys, you want to go to Google and then type in Intel driver and support assistant. Then you want to go to the website by Intel. Now once we're here, you want to click on download now. It's then going to start downloading, just wait for this. Once that's been downloaded, you want to click on it. And then this will come up, click on accept and install. And then click on yes. It's going to start installing, just wait for this to load. And now once this comes up, you want to tick the box, I agree, and then click on install. We don't need to join this program, so click on decline. Again, it's going to start installing, wait for this to load. And now once that's been done, it's going to be saying installation complete. You want to click on launch. Select your preferred web browser, and then just click on just once. If this pop-up comes up, click on allow. It's then going to scan your system. Now for me, I don't have an Intel system, so it says that no supported driver or software updates are available for your system. But in your case, if you're using an Intel system, it's going to tell you everything about your system. And if you have an update you need to do, it will tell you up here, and you can then do the update. That's how you do it.